What's going on, my lovely people? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some updates regarding the Forex Funder, so let's just get straight into the video. The Forex Funder is stating that they're going to be back live tomorrow with trading on MatchTrader and MT5. Now they're stating that the initial migrations are going to be to MT5. In other words, if your account is already with MetaTrader 5, which it should be, you're going to be going to MT5. However, if you're a US client, your trade is going to go to whatever platform they choose. They went on to also explain that on March 18th, they're planning to add CTrader as well as TradeLocker to their repertoire of platforms. And lastly, they stated that their dashboard should be getting a new and improved look with new features like being able to trade directly from the dashboard. Now, if you're currently with the Forex Funder, you don't care about any of those extra things. What you care about is when you're going to be able to trade, as well as when you're going to have access to your account credentials or details. Now, I can't promise you tomorrow's when it's going to happen, but they're saying they are live tomorrow. They're back live tomorrow with trading. Take it however you're going to take it. To me, it means tomorrow people might be able to start trading. The last time they said this with blueberry markets, the whole thing fell through. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a back seat to this, and I'm going to watch and see if it actually goes through. And if it does, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. Take care of yourselves, sit tight, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.